I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Sundown,
You?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yep. I'm waiting on my amp. It go harder than that. I'm waiting on my amp to come back. I fucked up my other amp, my big amp.
What you run on now?
5K.
What you have on that verse?
12K.
Yeah.
I went on my 12K, so when you get the 12K back, you be like, oh, god damn.
What kind of 12K you had?
12K.
Yeah, that would be like them things.
When you hear that, you're like, god damn, that's a big ass difference.
Hey, you feel like you're being cheated back there,
I am. I ain't even want, I told my brother I don't even want to play it.
Hey, you know what you can do, though.
I know it's still hitting, though, so I told bro, like, man, still play your shit, nigga.
Man, you gotta play it. Ain't no need to lie, man. Hey, that's why you on Instagram anywhere. You online anywhere?
With my brother, right here. Bang gang.
Where?
Bang gang.
Bang gang. Okay, that's y'all. All y'all right here. I know my first time. I met Heath a long time ago.
See, bro, he didn't bring his truck. So he got a loud truck out here for real.
He ain't bring it up?
No, he ain't bring it up. You got a green machine, a green truck.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.